Century 21, and welcome to a new edition of Mortgage Monday. And I'm here with Greg today to talk about mortgage. First, let's meet Greg. Hi, Greg. How are you doing
Hello,
today?
thank you.
Good.
Greg Janicki with the Federal Savings Bank, and I've been in this business for a very long time. I guess that means I'm old, over 30 years.
And you are a mortgage lender.
Well, we're a mortgage banker. Mortgage banker.
Okay.
So that was one of the questions that you were asking me.
Yes, it's a very good segue
what are the
to our
difference?
topic. Yes.
Okay.
What's the difference?
So you have mortgage bankers, mortgage lenders, and mortgage brokers. Now, mortgage brokers are those people who they do everything from the beginning process, the pre-qualification process, through the processing of a loan. But mortgage brokers do not underwrite the loan, nor do they fund the loan or close the loan. That's done by whoever they're sending the loan to.
Okay.
And they can go to multiple places to have that done. So they control the process up to underwriting. After that, it goes to whoever they are actually going to broker the loan to.
Okay.
Then you've got mortgage lenders. Now, mortgage lenders are not banking institutions. They are licensed just like the mortgage broker is, typically licensed all around the country. And what they do is they handle the process all the way from, just like the broker at the very beginning, all the way through the end. Mm-hmm. They fund the loan. Some mortgage lenders actually service the loans. They underwrite the loans. They do the whole thing.
Okay.
All right, that's a mortgage lender. And most mortgage lenders, like a mortgage broker, they're going to send those loans to a variety of different places. They're going to seek the best for the client.
Okay.
Okay? Now, then you've got mortgage bankers. There are two types of mortgage bankers. There's what I call the big box banks. The Wells Fargo, Bank of America, now Truist, a lot of the Chase, the real big banks. Typically, when you go to one of those banks to do your loan, the interest rates and fees and everything else that they charge you are going to be based on whatever they offer, and that's it.
Okay.
Wells Fargo doesn't send loans to other lenders. They just do everything in-house. But they can, like a mortgage lender, they control the process all the way through the end and oftentimes will service the loans. But it's going to be what they offer and that's it. The second type of mortgage banker is really what we are. Mm-hmm. We're a bank. We're licensed by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. And so we are allowed to do loans all across the United States, every state.
Okay.
Now, the similarity to the big box bank is that we're a bank. We're regulated by the OCC in our case. Similarity to a mortgage lender is that we do everything in the process all the way from the very beginning, the pre-qualification, all the way through to the funding and closing of that loan and then some servicing. Similar to a mortgage lender, we also shop the loans. So the mortgage broker, the mortgage lender, and a mortgage banker such as us, we shop the loan to see which institution may have the best offering for the client. Does that help?
Yes, that helps. I get a lot of clients that, they think by default they have to go with their bank, thinking maybe because they bank with them, they will get, more favors. So what's your take on that?
That's a great question. Honestly, in our business, there are no favors. Whether you're working with one of the big box bank or the mortgage broker or any of us in between, the guidelines are the guidelines are the guidelines. So we are going to have to underwrite that loan and meet all of the paperwork requirements and all the debt to income ratio requirements, all the loan to value requirements, based on whatever the guidelines are for the type of loan that a person is going to be achieving. Just because you do business with a specific bank doesn't mean you shouldn't use them, but it also does not mean, as you said, that you're going to get a favor.
Okay. So what are where are some of the advantages working with a lender versus a bank? Is it just having more options?
I personally think that working outside of the big box banks, and I'm not knocking the big box banks, but outside of those, you have more opportunity. Whether it's a bank like us, a mortgage lender, a mortgage broker, we've got more options for that loan. We're going to shop the loan. We're going to look and see which has got the best possible pricing for that specific borrower. So I think that might be the one advantage.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. And I think we learned a lot about the differences between a mortgage bank and lenders. And I hope you find some value in it and we kind of shed some light in those differences. Well, thank you so much, Greg. And
You're welcome.
we'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.